Let's talk about clothes. I hate fashion. And I think you should too. First thing that I hate is just a plain white t-shirt. I think it ruins any outfit. It's just boring. It's lazy. It's like the cop out, and I think there are just so many other pieces that could go well with an outfit. If it's like patterned skirt or like a printed skirt, a sequin skirt, do not dress it down with a t-shirt. Wear anything else with it. Next fashion item I hate are jeans. I think this also is the same thing. It's a cop-out. It makes any outfit less fashionable. Truly just like don't think you should have jeans in your closet because you're going to gravitate towards them and wear them all the time when there's so many other pants you could wear, whether it's like a cargo, a trouser, a pattern pant, one of those like Saks pot sequin pants. Anything looks better than a pair of jeans. Next fashion thing that I hate is anything comfy. No matter what it is, if it's comfy, I can tell that it's comfy, and you look like a slob, you look like you're not trying, it's lazy. If you wear something comfy to hang out with me, it feels like you're not even making an effort to hang out with me, and it makes me feel bad. I hate being overdressed when everybody else looks comfy, so just don't do it. Like, just make an effort to be seen. Next thing is too many accessories or not enough accessories. I think people do one or the other, and there's such a fine line. There's only one way to do accessories. No creativity can come from it. You have to do it the right way or it looks bad. Just layering a bunch of things on top of each other, I don't think it makes an outfit, as well as just like a few little things here and there. No, there's a right way to do accessories, and I rarely see it. Next thing that I absolutely detest in fashion is the color brown. I don't care if it's leather or suede or like a natural thing that comes in the color brown. Don't wear it. It looks like poop. Better colors to be worn. There's better things to be worn. No brown in my wardrobe whatsoever. Next thing are dresses. It literally feels anti-feminist to wear dresses. Women work so hard for us to be able to wear pants, and now we're just gonna go and wear dresses all the time. Like, I truly don't understand it. Yeah, you will not catch me in a dress. And the last one that is so important to this entire video, and if somebody didn't make it this far, I'm so sorry, because you need to hear this one: April Fools.